Hi, I'm Henriette, the founder of the Pro Strings Violin School. Welcome to this channel. We are a friendly community of violin players from all over the world, from all walks of life and of all ages. I really want to help you to learn to play the violin either from scratch or to help you get better at playing the violin when you're already playing. I've helped hundreds of people to learn to play the violin, and we've had more than 650,000 views on this channel. So, if you are keen to learn to play the violin, why not subscribe to this channel straight away and hit the bell button? On this channel, there are more than 600 videos. You can use the playlists to easily find what you're looking for. There are complete courses to learn how to play the violin, and you can also find favourite pieces that you've always wanted to play. There are videos on specific techniques such as vibrato, and you can find concertinos to play, Christmas music and much more. And the best thing of all, it's completely free. People sometimes ask me, where do I start? And most people start with the Suzuki Book 1 course, Learn to Play the Violin in 30 Days. You can find this course by scrolling down this home page. Further on this page, you can find all my most popular courses. You may already have a book, in which case just check if I've recorded any videos on the pieces in your book. And an example for that might be the All for Strings violin method or the Fill Time series. I also have a course here on this channel that teaches you how to play the violin without a book, and that course is called the Virtual Violin Practice Play Along, and it's for those of you who do not want to use a book in their playing. Quite often people start off playing with one of my courses, and then after a while they book a lesson with me via my website proarmstrings.com to check that things are progressing in the right direction, and I suggest you consider doing this too. It's easy to get into bad habits which may hamper your progress, and often with one or two hints and tips you can get back on track. In addition to being able to book lessons, on my website you'll also find a shop where I have selected suitable products from the vast array of violin stuff available. If you want to support this channel, what can you do? First of all, like I said before, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button, and by hitting the bell button you'll enable notifications which will let you know whenever a new video is released. Second, you might consider becoming a member of Henriette's Violin Club, and this is a membership club that gives you access to perks such as special emojis and special badges, a membership community where you can ask for help from fellow members, and you get priority answers to any comments that you place below each video. You'll also get to ask the questions in my monthly live streams. And lastly, you greatly support this channel by watching each video to the end. And this really helps the channel to grow so that I can continue to make more videos, and that's simple and effective. So thank you very much. You may already know that if you want to progress fast, you will need to practice every day, and I hope therefore that you will use this channel every day. And I'm sure that you'll have lots of fun playing the violin. So good luck with your practice, and I very much look forward to seeing you around here.